Video.
Just gonna happen.
Running. Sound. Speeding. Turning over.
The idea is that a lady has given her lotto winnings to a monkey sanctuary, and it's improved the quality of the monkeys' lives, but not in a way you'd expect.
I found it so far a bit of a challenge, but I hope it comes out right. I mean, we've done it enough times.
Take 10, and go again.
So it should be all right.
The day's going great, and now our job will be to put his CG face on top, where we can replace his expressions, exaggerate his eye movements, give him stretched lip movements, and really put some performance into his facial expressions.
Quite bizarrely, you know, asked to play these creatures, and the way the creatures have been made, they're very kind of realistic. What's my motivation? Well, some, you know, a couple of bananas and a few leaves normally, but
I think the most enjoyable bit's been watching the monkey on the jet ski soak the rangers. It's been pretty good ending.
Okay, cut there, and that's the wrap.